Alright, welcome welcome to Kawartha Backyard Farms, all you gorgeous garden gnomes. In this video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to fold paper pots from free newspapers. So we're going to start with a full sheet of newspaper. So we've got this full sheet, and it's going to come already folded roughly in half for you to start. Now, with that fold on our left hand side, we're going to fold it up in half again so that it is in the shape of a hot dog bun. And then we're going to turn that first folded edge to the top, open it up, and we're going to take the corners on that first folded edge and we're going to fold it down and in to the center of that hot dog bun fold. Now we made this nice triangle piece that's on the top, and we're going to take the bottom of this rectangular piece, we're going to fold it up to the bottom of that triangle. So that's one fold, and then we're going to fold it up to cover up the bottom of the triangle. Now from here, we're going to flip it over and turn it 90 degrees. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it in to the center. Turn your sheet all the way to the other side, and we'll do the same thing. Fold it in to the center. So this is creating that pocket for us to stuff this side into, or this flap into. And we're going to fold this all the way up. Now you can just stuff this right into that pocket if you'd like, but I like to fold these top corners down. Just helps it to slide into the pocket a little bit easier. Stand it up, slightly open that pocket, and we'll fold this and stuff it in there. And now to make the bottom, so this triangular piece creates the bottom of our pot. So to make sure that that will sit relatively flat in your trays, we're going to fold this in half, and then we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it down to the outside corner. And you can fold this back and forth a couple of times to get a really good crease on there. Now when we open it up, it's going to want to fold in on that crease, and we can flatten it out. And we have a 2" by 2" by 2" starter pot.